Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a small little haul from the Honest Company. This time I did not order the essentials bundle like I normally do and then pick my products. I wanted a lot of detergent and you can only add one at a time in the essential bundles unless you're doing add-ons, so I just decided to purchase random things instead of doing the bundle. So on top they gave us a copy of Good Housekeeping, Jessica Alba on it. And then they did change a lot of like the scents and the packaging for their products. I really like their dish detergent, so I ordered a bunch of those. So this one is, oh, they have coupons on them too. Probably use those at Target for their products. This one is Coastal Surf. That's a new scent. I'm gonna take a sniff and see what it smells like. I've had their lavender before and some of their other ones. So this has a really good scent to it. It smells like the beach to me, so I like that. I did get two in that scent, so I have two Coastal Surf. And then the last one I got is Lavender Field. I like the new labels that they have for their stuff. And then I guess the rest I got was detergent. I thought I got more products. Let's see here. I love how they package their detergent. It comes really packaged well. They did change the bottles for this. So this is what they look like now. And this one is in Coastal Surf as well. It's for 70 loads. You can use it on your HE washer. It's made without all these dyes and parabens. So I like how they've changed it. Let's see what else I got. Before, the laundry detergent was just completely unscented, so I like that there is an option to get scented laundry detergent, but you still can get the unscented kind. So this is one that I got was for the baby laundry, so this one's fragrance free. From a little girl. Got her some of that, and let's see what I got as the last one. I might have picked a different scent. Let's see. This one I got was fragrance free as well. So we got two of those and then a scented one. So if you want to try anything or you want to order a couple products, I do have a promo code that saves you $10 off. So I'll go ahead and put that in the description box below. And I have a ton of other past hauls. I've pretty much tried all their products, their cleaning products and everything. So if you have any questions or any comments, leave them below and I will respond to them as quickly as I can. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.